All right, guys, we're sitting in a 2008 Chevy Colorado. We're gonna go over how to reset the oil maintenance light. First thing you're gonna wanna do, get the key in the ignition, 2 clicks, get it to the on position, 1, 2. You got your lights, your gauges go. And then next thing you're gonna wanna do is see the warning lights come up. I've got my low tire pressure and my change oil. You'll see it come up. You're gonna wanna use this button. Go ahead and scroll to where it says change oil. Oh, I went right past it, but it'll say oil life and then reset, and just hold it. You hear the beeping? All right, we should be good. Let's go ahead and start it. Let's get back to our mileage, 161,509. And we'll see if the light comes back up. You always want to double check no matter how you reset it, just because sometimes it does glitch out. So we got our low tire pressure, that wasn't going to go away. Let's see if we got our oil light. It should be right after the service. As you can see, we're good. It just cycles with the tire pressure. We can go ahead and cycle through. There is no message, and it goes right into the trips. That is how you go ahead and reset that. Hope this helped. If you need other guides or tutorials, I've got a playlist of a whole bunch of different car makes and models, European, Asian, American. I've got all of it. Go ahead and check that out. Have a good one.